All right, Ken, give it to me, brother.
Hold on. Daryl, what's wrong? Your hands are a bit cold, mate. A bit cold. You're a bit chilly after hearing this news. So I woke up this morning and, we've been like harping on about Scale AI and the boys like just killing it. Accidentally storing client secrets in public Google Docs. So yeah, not ideal. Like, look, probably don't.
Is this like when you're trying to share a Google Doc to someone and you're like, permit access all.
I don't even know how, to be honest, I don't even know how you do it. We can't even share docs ourselves. I was like, hey guys, can I have permission, please? And it's like, we can't get it right. But look, they've gone and stored things in public docs. So not ideal for work with Google, Meta, and XAI. Obviously, Meta just bought them, so they're probably like, probably tidy this up. But they're conducting a little bit of an investigation. But what was key for me here was seeing that Google was already planning to dump Scale AI, and now they have got a very good excuse to do so.
Privacy.
Yeah, that gets you out of contracts. Hey, everyone's going to just abandon their contracts.
That's not ideal.
Does that include Department of Defense secret keys? Because that could be like pretty bad.
I don't know if it's secret keys, just secrets. So it's like internal information. Yes, it's like actual writing. I don't think it's like not just secret keys. Like, yeah, cool.
Oh, it's just like so it could just be a doc or something that says like, Google told us that they no longer want to use us. We're going to keep them in their contract, sort of.
Maybe. We don't actually know. But then, so Microsoft and XAI are also backing away, obviously. This is from the article. It just says, turn their $14 billion windfall into a client exodus speed run. And then I love how this has been written. By treating confidential data like a shared grocery list. Probably don't do that. Hey?
That's crazy.
I don't know. Like, they go through
what's fun is like every business, it's just Excel spreadsheets and Word docs the whole way up. Like, they've got it all figured out. They just sold for $15 billion. Oh yeah, we still store stuff in a really unsecure way. I'm sure they have all the badges on their website, like SOC2 compliant and all of that shit.
Self-certified. Boom, done. The key takeaway, when your security strategy is Google Docs set to public, you're not running a B2B AI company. You're running an expensive leak factory. It's obviously this is I think this is from AI Secrets newsletter, and I think obviously AI writes it because that's very funny, and it's even got the M dash in there, so it's definitely AI written. But
definitely
good on them. I thought that was quite hectic, given all the things going on. Yeah, like it's almost feel like they're just burning the company. It's almost like they want to just burn it down.
Conspiracy,
yeah,
dude.
What do you reckon? Do you reckon they're trying to burn it down?
If they were instrumental in tagging data, the fastest way for Facebook competitively to get out of those contracts is to do this. So conspiracy theory mind would say that, yes, maybe you do that because maybe that hurts the chat GPTs, et cetera, faster. Make them want to abandon their contracts instead of saying, we don't want to serve you anymore. You do it the other way around. You get them to cancel with you, and they're like, they have to scramble to find better data tagging everywhere, and Meta just gets to like, do.
It almost it feels like that, right? It's like, it's writing itself too beautifully.
Almost like AI leaked the thing deliberately. They sent it to AI leaks. They're like, hey, by the way, we were sharing public information, private information in docs just to get it in the hype cycle.
It just reinforces the acqui-hire thing, man. The acqui-hire, where it's like the Scale AI as a company just doesn't matter. It's all about old mate and then Meta, Zuckerberg hanging out, dude. But it also just makes it look less sexy, man. Which is interesting, and it always happens that way. It's this like facade we have of a company like 14 billion, that's hectic, 28-year-old. And then you're like, oh yeah, I just keep things in Google Docs.
I could also leak information. Mistakes. Yeah. Private information's worthless though.
Yeah, that's right, dude. Yeah. That's crazy. What's the alternative for storing stuff, boys? Where do you put stuff? Just don't make it a public link?
Yeah, I think that's probably key.
Yeah.
You can set these things inside of your actual settings in Google. Like, let's be honest, if it is top secret information,
yes,
you just don't put it on the internet.
Yes.
Make it a little bit harder to share.
Yep.
Probably. Like that level of security, like I would go through things, like there's certain things I don't, I would store it in Dropbox personally, but I don't share it with anyone.
Yes.
But then if I'm like, this is top secret, it would just be on my computer.
What kind of stuff? What do you want to share your
We wanna
screen? Just
know,
bring it
little
up. Just show us how you do it.
That's why it's top secret.
That's why it's top secret, dude. Yeah, because it is interesting at this level of company. It's like, what do you use? Do you just print it all? Like, what do you do?
Sure.
Because there's always a way for
Carrier
it to leak.
pigeons.
Put it in the
It's all
safe.
carrier pigeons.
Yeah.
Don't store it.
Yeah, don't put it anywhere.
Don't store it if it's actually important. This is the thing. We're going to see it's the name of some employee that they spoke to and had a meeting about them wanting to do it. Like, that's what's going to come out of it, probably. Like, but it's that they could leave the companies highly vulnerable to future attacks.
Yep.
It sort of sounds like it's like probably a weekly customer update thing where they're like just talking about their relationships with all the customers. And yes, it is private information, but yeah, it's not too.
Well, this is what it includes. Google's AI secrets, at least 7 Google manuals. Sick. Love to see those. Confidential. They've also Elon Musk's XAI Project Xylophone. All right. It's definitely an OnlyFans competitor. Meta training materials. Hey, Meta's training material. So that's and then obviously works private information. Interesting, dude. If those workers just happen to be the ones who are going to jump ship, that would be awesome. Let the plot thicken.
Yes. All right. Well, we'll keep watching this. Hey?
Stay tuned for Scale AI News Week 3 coming soon.
All right,
your number one spot.
Oof.